it worth the waiting for? If we live till 84, all we ever get is gruel. Every day we say a prayer. Will they change the bill of fare? Still we get the same old gruel. There's not a crust, not a crumb can we find. Can we beg, can we borrow or cash? But there's nothing to stop us from getting a thrill when we all close our eyes and imagine food, glorious food, hot sausage and mustard, while we're in the mood, cold jelly and custard, peas, pudding and saveloys. What next is a question? Rich gentlemen have it, boys, indigestion. Food, we're anxious to try it. 3 banquets a day, our favorite diet. Just picture a great big steak, fried, roasted or stewed. Oh, food, fabulous food, marvelous food, glorious food. Food, glorious food. Don't care what it looks like. Burnt, underdone, crude. Don't care what the cook's like.
Just thinking of growing fat.
Our senses were reeling. One moment of knowing that full of feeling. Food, glorious food. What wouldn't we live for? That extra bit more. That's all that we live for. Why should we be fated to do nothing but
For what you're about to receive, may the Lord make you truly thankful.
Please, sir, I want some more.
What?
Please, sir, I want some more.